Struggling to find where to create a landing page in Klaviyo? Publish a capture-ready page for your email list in under 3 minutes. We'll start in the website section. Build out your landing page, connect it to your email list, then publish and copy your link. Start by clicking Website. Then click on Landing Pages. Now hit Create Landing Page. Type a name for your landing page in the Landing Page Name field. Then type in the landing page title. Click the Subscriber List drop-down to open it. Then choose Email List from the drop-down. Now click Create Landing Page. Then click Publish. Click Copy to grab your landing page link. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.